Hello and welcome to Panther Financial Services. This is Pranav Patil. Today we will discuss is the market is bottomed out, or is it a good time to buy the stock? So we will start this discussion with my own example. I started this firm in 2013-14. Before that, I was working for institutions. We used to manage an institutional client only. And when I started this firm, the Sensex was somewhere around 15 to 17,000 range, and today at 2022, the Sensex is touched like a 60,000. So from 15,000 or 16,000 to 60,000, how the jump happened, I didn't even realize. Every time there was sentiments, market is high, or market niche jayega. And when you see the bigger crash, everybody wanted to hold it because nobody knows how much time it will take up. So my genuine the suggestion is stay invested. If I had this knowledge, okay, the market making a money in the market is like a patient sunset, a good vibration. When I started this firm, I would have made a good amount of money. Trust me, for me and the clients as well. Because how market went up, nobody realizes that. The only way to stay in the journey is keep invested, keep having a positions. Now the reason I'm saying, if you look at the statistics from Nifty started in 1996 to 2016, and in the 20 years span of time, it took 20 years for Nifty to reach at 12,000. Now, if you look at 2022, the Nifty was somewhere around 8,000, 7,800. So I'll take it as a 8,000. From 8,000 to 18,000, it took a 1.5 years. So 10,000 jump in 1.5 years. And from 18,600, it came down to 16,000. Do you call it as a crash or the big downside in the market? Absolutely not. If you wait more downside and okay, I will wait till 15,000 or 10,000 or whatever target, when that level comes, you don't get a confidence to be invested in the market, because sentiments are, different sentiments will be there. At the COVID time, I still remember we were asking to keep it, put it more money, but the people were hesitating, saying that nobody knows the future, how much time it will take it. But we all know the results basically. So there is no good time or bad time. Whenever you have money, keep it in the wherever you wanted to keep it in the stock, or you wanted to keep it in the Nifty Bs, or whatever the products you wanted to. The only way of making a good money to be in the market. That's it. As far as lot of news you see, inflation or this interest rate, you should not, as an investor, you should not be worried about it. That doesn't mean these numbers are not important. These numbers are very important at the fund manager level, at the FPI level. When there is a diversification happens or rebalancing happens from one market to another market in a billions, that time these numbers are very important to understand how economy is doing. Too much inflation is not good. Too much downside recession is not good. Let's understand what is inflation. Inflation is something, what are the products you use it on a daily basis, like you use oil, you use vegetables, you use groceries. What is the trend of these product prices? Is it a upside or is it a downside? These are the indication inflation gives. Now understand how much money you spend on the vegetables and the groceries. If you are earning a 1 lakh rupees, just imagine how much you spend it. When the onion was 40 rupees, you were buying onion, and today it is trading around 12 rupees or 15 rupees, still you are buying it. I'm not saying don't neglect entirely, but these numbers should not hammer your decision on entering into the market. There is the only way to be avoid this sentiments and stay invested. This is my personal example or personal story. I'm telling you how the market went up from 15,000 Sensex, I'm talking about 15,000 to 60,000, I didn't even realize. And what today I can tell you that only staying invested, this is the only way you can make a good amount of money. This is the genuine suggestion. Think over it. आपको पता भी नहीं चलता कि कब मार्केट ऊपर जाता है, एंड जब मार्केट ऊपर जाता है यू फील इट, सेंटिमेंट्स आते कि और मार्केट गिरेगा, एंड यू क्लोज द योर इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, एंड सडनली मार्केट और ऊपर जाता है एंड यू डोंट इवन गेट अ चांस टू री इन्वेस्ट. सो कीप ऑलवेज हैव अ इन्वेस्टमेंट. डोंट थिंक मार्केट और कितना नीचे जाएगा, और डोंट इवन आस्क इट. इफ यू हैव अ मनी, buy it. Simply think over it. Have a great day. Thank you for your time.